name is Hannah Johnson, and I'm an AmeriCorps Vista. I work with a nonprofit in the Bay Area called Tandem Partners in Early Learning.
We aim to spark joy and close the opportunity gap
by providing books, tools, and free resources that foster children's early language and literacy skills. We are helping to build a brighter future for Bay Area children and families. So feel free to check us out at tandembayarea.org. In the meantime, I'm going to be doing some research.